All right, continuing with our synthetic division of polynomials, we can use synthetic division to determine if a value is a zero of a polynomial and therefore a factor. If it's not a factor, with the remainder theorem, we know that the remainder in the synthetic division algorithm is going to be the polynomial evaluated at that number. All right, so here we have a polynomial. We're given p of x is 8x to the fourth minus 2x plus 6. And we're asked to determine if k equals 1 is a zero of this polynomial. All right, so that means we're going to set up the synthetic division algorithm with the k equal to 1 and run it through here. If we get a remainder of 0, we know that 1 is a zero of this polynomial. If not, we will have found p of k, p of 1 in this case. All right, so what we want to do is we'll set up our synthetic division algorithm. Start with the number here, 1, and then we'll set up the grid. So we've got the vertical line here, horizontal, and then we want to list the coefficients of our polynomial in descending power order. So we start off with 8x to the fourth, the coefficient is 8, and then we go to the x cubed term. There is none, so we'll include a 0. Then we go to the x squared term. There is still no x squared term, so we'll put in another 0. We've got a -2 on the linear term, -2, and then 6 is the constant term. All right, now it's important to include these zeros when you do not have that power in your polynomial, right? Because they're there. We can consider them to be there. It's just the coefficient is 0. Okay, and now we go with the synthetic division algorithm. Start with the 8, bring it down, then we multiply by 1, so 8. Then we add, multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, and then add. All right, so since the remainder is not 0, we know that x equals 1 is not a zero of p of x. But then by the remainder theorem, we know that p of 1 is 12. And we can see that's true if we evaluate this polynomial at 1. We'll see that it is indeed 12. So we'll just do this very quickly. P of 1 is going to be 8 times 1 to the fourth minus 2 times 1 plus 6. That gives us 8 minus 2 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Very quickly using the synthetic division algorithm.